Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Glossybox.
Glossybox, yay!
Okay.
We're doing back to back to back. We're doing 3 videos. And she's going to probably get them all posted tonight. So,
Hopefully.
that way y'all can see whatever one you want to watch.
My left hand. Like, that's what it looks like. I don't know why I showed that. Okay, here you go. Things, I don't even know what that is. There you go.
Bundle, and you can save Geico. Savings all in one spot. We love the little ads we do nothing with, but
Okay, and as you probably saw, the box is like the
it's
real
usual
pink,
color.
peachish, yeah, pink color. Has that, which looks cute because it looks like spring. And I shall give that to you, Edie, to show.
And I really like how they always have some kind of like theme or something. Okay. And then it has a sneak peek for next month. And then inside, of course, it has whatever she's probably getting.
So it looks like some pretty good items. So the first one I'm pulling out is a limited edition Beauty on the Go Skin Research Laboratories mini kit of new brow and new lash, new reflection. I'm not quite sure what all that is.
It says $74 normally. It says enhance your beauty wherever you go with this tiny yet mighty trio of products, including mini-sized versions of bestsellers for lashes, brows, and skin.
Awesome.
That's cool. I like that.
Okay. And then I have
Jeez,
Freeman's
huge.
French Pink Clay Peel Off Mask Pore Clearing.
And that's normally $4.99. So that's a big size for that price. It says refresh and revitalize your complexion with this pore clearing mask. Ideal for most skin types and free of harsh chemicals.
Oh, that's good. And then I have Botanique or Botanique. I don't know if you have Botanique Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying that. Nourishing Mascara.
And this is normally $19.90. And it says thicken, lengthen, and strengthen your lashes with this volumizing formula rich in lash conditioning ingredients.
And then I have Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick.
That's kind of cool. Stick. It's $20, and it says this water-resistant creamy eyeshadow is exactly what we need as the weather warms up. Which, yeah, it is warming up.
And that
especially
was
California.
That was my blow dryer falling over, if you guys heard that thump. Okay, and then I have, is it the Good Patch Premium Hemp Infused Be Calm?
Oh, that's just an extra treat in there.
Oh.
It says containing 15 milligrams of hemp and methanol menthol. This dermatologically tested patch will ensure you're calm throughout the day, relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. It's natural, simple, and totally discreet. And it says it's normally $12 a patch or $16 for 4 patches. That totally doesn't look like the same colors. That looks light.
In CLA, Los Angeles, nail polish. It's in We're Off to Neverland. I was looking at it because we just
is like a little bit lighter.
We just got pedicures, and so I was like going, is that the exact same purple
That's
I have?
like, this is like that your color of your
yeah.
toes. That's weird. Like it's
I have
lighter purple
on my toenails. I think that was the last item.
I think.
Yep.
We've launched our own skincare. Okay. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one I'll have posted down below. As soon as I do the description on all these tonight, I still have to eat dinner at home, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.